A quick bolt. Simple. When you need one, you need one. If you don't know what a quick bolt is, stay tuned. If you do know what a quick bolt is, I'm going to show you some tricks to do to your quick bolt. So quick bolts are all thread with longer threads. So it makes the nut on the thread quicker. So when you spin it, the longer threads allow the nut to go up the rod faster. When you can't make a point, when you're trying to connect a piece, or even bolt up, for instance, a quick bolt allows you to long bolt the iron. So when you're trying to attach a clip to a beam and it's way off, you can have it at a skew, and then as you draw this nut tight, the iron will essentially get closer. It's like it's Mexican come along, so to speak. But that's enough quick bolt history. So you can get this material off the job site all day long, twice on Sunday from carpenters, because they use them for forms. The lame thing about that is usually they use these 3/4 soft bolts. You want to have the 3/4 hard bolt, so your typical 3/4 hard spud that's on your belt will fit it. So you don't have to draw your crescent every time you want to use your quick bolt. But I mean, it's not the end of the world if you got to use a crescent anyway. At least you have a bolt to make the point. So sometimes you're in a pinch and you really need a quick bolt. So it's work-wise to have connectors carry them. The main thing is, if you're on a 7/8 job, a 1-inch job, a 3/4 job, is to weld the back side with a 3/4 or a 7/8 or 1-inch or whatever you want to do. But then essentially you can screw the quick bolt through the iron and through the clip to help draw it too. It might be hard to see, but when you're in the situation, you're in the situation and you need it. Like, it's hard to explain, but I've definitely been in a situation where I wanted to thread my bolt. Also, this quick bolt, I ground the sides of it. So when it's super hard to breach, super hard point, that's freaking completely canted at a 45, I can even drive this quick bolt because it's smooth on one side and smooth on the other side. So when it slides, I can drive it just like a pin. So since it's smooth on both sides, it won't mess up the threads. I can drive it like a pin, and I can still start the nut, just like that. And since it's less surface area, it'll allow the nut to even go faster. So it's like the quickest bolt in the local. So that's a little fun fact. I actually just learned this from a buddy, Chris Broxterman. He was working down in California. Shout out to Local 377. They know their stuff. I had a bunch of friends down there working on the Warriors Stadium. I guess it was a really good project. But this grind on both sides is work-wise as hell. I saw it on my buddy Chris's quick bolt, and I was like, dang, why'd you do that? And then I looked at it, and I was like, oh, that's why you did that. So I'm definitely stealing it. Not my knowledge, just passing it on. So that's how it is with ironwork. Ironworkers have been doing ironwork for 100 years. You're not going to reinvent the wheel. But you can pass on little tricks so your brothers and sisters are more efficient. So that's my goal, is to pass on the knowledge. And if you haven't already, you can look at my deck tool video or my ultimate sleever bar video. I'm gonna make a bunch more videos of like little tricks that'll make you more efficient, which will make the contractor more money, which will give you more work. So big picture, if you're lumbering around and the contractor's not making money, then you're not gonna have a job because they're gonna go under. But that's enough about that. This quick bolt has a 3/4 bolt on the top and a 3/4 bolt on the bottom, and I put 2 washers on it. So I tighten it up like this and I carry it in one of my bullpen holder slots on my tool belt, and it's just one of the tools on my tool belt. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below. It really helps me out. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please subscribe for more, and there's gonna be a lot more Ironworker videos to come. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Work safe out there. Later.